Assalamu alaikum there, students. Good evening. Very warm welcome to everyone, and I hope that you all doing well and be great. And it's very big pleasure for me to communicate with you again. And I hope today brings you, tonight's session brings you inspiration, joy, and fulfillment. So خوش آمدین شاگردای عزیز که جوری صحتمند باشین و مقصد که شما در سلاید میبینین فراموش نکنین که حتما سایت یلمز دیدار بکنین، چرا که تمام کتاب هایی که ما مثلا سلاید ها، کتاب ها، پی دی اف هایی که مثلا شما روز شبانه اینا رو میخوانین و همچنین اکتیویتی های اکسترا اضافه راجع به گرامر، وکابولری، تمام از اینا اکسرسایز ها و همچنین کویز ها داخل سایت موجود است و فراموش نکنین که به خاطر ایمپروومنت زبان انگلیسی خیلی سایت براتون موثر و مفید واقع شده میتونه و همچنین متوجه باشین که 80% در سایتون سایت است و فقط 20% سیشن های لایف تشکیل میده. So let's say بسم الله الرحمن الرحیم and start a new lesson. با گفتن بسم الله الرحمن الرحیم درس جدید خدا بخیر شروع میکنیم. میریم طبق معمول اول میبینیم که امشب قرار است که چی ها رو بخونیم. So we will move on to the first slide. And as you see, we're going to study polite questions. اما قسم که میبینید قرار است امشب polite questions یا سوالات مؤدبانه رو بخونیم. In tonight's session در جلسه امشب we will learn how to ask and answer politely in English. در قرار است که ما بیاموزیم یا یاد بگیریم که چه قسم سوال بپرسیم و جواب بدیم مؤدبانه در زبان انگلیسی. You will practice using would you mind plus verb ing. قرار است که ما بخوایم امشب تمرین بکنیم این phrasal verb would you mind را با یک verb ing یا حالت ing فرم verb and make respectful requests و همچنان درخواست های خیلی محترمانه انجام بدیم. Join as role plays, join fun role plays با role play ها یا conversation های جالب join شویم یا یک جای شویم بپیوندیم and build confidence speaking with good manners in daily life و همچنان که چطور مطمئنانه یا خیلی با اطمینان به نفس ما صحبت بکنیم و همچنان رویه و رفتار کنیم در زندگی روزمره ما. خب شاگرد عزیز، حالا قبل از اینکه به اسلاید بعدی بریم یک بار از درس گذشته ما سوال میکنم. Who can tell me what did we study previous night که برام گفته میتونه که generally ما شب گذشته چی ها را خواندیم. So let me see. Who can tell me, guys? Let me ask Mr. Ahmadullah. Can you tell me what did we study?
Hi, teacher. Excuse me, I am not study on this lesson.
Okay, great. So can you tell me that what did we study last night? شب گذشته چی خوانده بودیم؟
I study the grammar and the topic and the words and etc.
Okay, can you tell me what was the grammar which we studied?
So I think present perfect tense.
Present perfect tense. Well, but we didn't study present perfect tense. نخونده بودیم present perfect tense. یک چیز دیگه را خوندیم. گرامر ما چیز دیگه بود. Okay, let's choose Mr. Ilyas.
Hi, how are you, teacher?
Hi, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks, and you?
I'm great. Thank you so much. So can you tell me what did we study exactly last night?
Last night or the previous night?
Last night or previous night, basically they're the same. تقریبا یک چیز هستن. منظورم از درس گذشته است.
We studied present simple tense.
Simple present tense. Well done. And which verb was that? Which we studied that?
What?
Exactly which verb did we study?
We studied verb. Word was teacher. We studied word, grammar, and other.
Yes, we studied the verbs, but what was that verb? Verb چی بود exactly که خوانده بودیم؟
استاد چرا میگه لغات ها رو خوانده بودیم خب استاد.
لغت ها رو خوانده بودیم. امرای simple present tense ما اینم خوانده بودیم که چه قسم مثلا چی داره که خوش داریم و خوش نداریم و بیان کنیم. نه وقتی که exactly کدوم verb خوانده بودیم منظور مثلا بود که like و dislike خوانده بودیم.
صحیح است.
نه دیگه با یادتون نرازی به وقت انشالله بخیر قرار است که هر شب ریویو بکنید درس گذشته را دیگه. از اون خاطر باز من رندوملی پرسونال هم میکنم، شما باید جواب بدین. درست است Mr. Samim? Can you tell me the meaning of these words؟ معنای از کلمات بر من بگو. Word number 1 is picnic. So first unmute yourself. خدا unmute go. Mr.
Hello,
Usman.
dear teacher. How are you?
Hello there, students. I'm great. Thank you so much. How are you?
I'm also good, dear teacher. Should I tell the meaning of
Yes.
picnic?
Yes. You should tell me the meaning of picnic.
Yes. Picnic means in Dari Mela, like we go somewhere like to Banyan near the
Excellent.
river. We
Thank you.
have a picnic.
The next word is sweets.
Sweets mean شیرینی باب مثال کلچه و اینجوری.
Excellent. And the last word is ingredients.
Ingredients. Teacher, I forgot.
Okay, then another last word, it could be blanket.
Blanket, I think Kampal.
Kampal, or something like that. Thank you so much, Usman. That was so great. Well done. Offering. So now, guys, as we reviewed, basically we study simple present tense with the verb like and dislike. It means how to express or how to build structures, sentences in case of, for example, to express something we like it or dislike that. So now we will start our new lesson tonight. امشب میریم دیگه بخیر آیسته آیسته سر درس اصلی خود ما امشب سر درس امشب ما. So the next slide we have tongue twister that we're going to start our tonight's session with a tongue twister. But tongue twister شروع میکنیم. I'm going to read it 3 times and translate it for you, and after me it's your turn. So pay attention. Would you mind waiting while we work on Wednesday? Would you mind waiting while we work on Wednesday? Would you mind waiting while we work on Wednesday? میگه آیا اشکال نداره یا بر تو مشکل نیست که تو منتظر ما باشی هنگامی که ما کار میکنیم یا در جریان که ما کار میکنیم روز چهارشنبه. So now it's your turn, guys. Mr. Elias.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Would you mind waiting while we work on Wednesday? Would you mind waiting while we work on Wednesday? Would you mind waiting while we work on Wednesday?
Excellent. Thank you so much, Mr. Elias. That was so great and amazing. And just about the word waiting, you pronounce like waiting. Waiting and waiting, they're kind of like similar, but their difference in pronunciation is just in the letter T and letter D. Waiting means like arusi. Waiting means like intizar mondan. Otherwise, that was so great. Excellent. Usman?
Would you mind waiting while we work on Wednesday? Would you mind waiting while we work on Wednesday? Would you mind waiting while we work on Wednesday?
Outstanding. Excellent, Usman. That was so great. And the last person would be Ahmadullah.
Okay, teacher. Would you mind waiting while we work on the Wednesday? Would you mind waiting while we work on the Wednesday? Would we mind waiting while we work on the Wednesday?
Thank you so much, Ahmad. That was so great. Excellent. Just about the pronunciation, mind and while. Mostly the I sound, it has the I letter, it has 2 sounds, the A sound and the S sound. And here we have both words with A sound, mind and while. Otherwise, that was so great. Often, Shabas. So now, guys, I think we do not have any other volunteer who wants to read the tongue twister. So we'll smoothly move on to the next slide. Miriam بخير slide بعدي. And in the next slide, I think we have a picture, and you guys should guess that what do we call this in English? Yes. So we have this picture in here. I mean, Do you have any idea or any information about this picture or about this item that is on door? And what do we call this exactly in English? کسی کدام ایدیا یا مفکوره یا هم معلومات داره در مورد اینکه که ما ایره یا تصویری که اینجا هست را به انگلیسی چی میگیم؟
I think we call it doorgate.
Doorgate. Okay, thank you so much. Let's give the chance to Usman as well.
Yes, I think the picture its name is door knocker to notice people to open.
Excellent, well done. Thank you, Usman. Yes, guys. The name of this item, which we have it in here, we call this door knocker. إذا چی میگیم door knocker میگیم که اونم قسم رک میگه دروازه تک تک میزنن door knocker بهش گفته میشن. And now I hope you get it and understand the name of this thing in here. And we will move on to the next slide. میریم بخیر به slide بعدی. And in the next slide thing we have the grammar. The thing that we're going to study them tonight. Yes. I'm going to read it and translate it. Pay attention. Topic talk. Today we will learn polite questions. امروز قرار است که ما بیاموزیم سوالات مؤدبانه را. We use polite questions to be respectful when asking someone to do something. ما استفاده میکنیم از سوالات مؤدبانه از و محترم با اینکه محترم باشیم و محترم نشان داده شویم زمانی که ما درخواست میکنیم یا میپرسیم در مورد چیزی از کسی. So common forms. The first one is would you mind plus verb ing. Whenever we use would you mind, we have to use verb ing. زمانی که ما would you را phrasal verb would you mind استفاده میکنیم باید از verb ing هم قطعش استفاده کنیم. خود از اینمی چی مانا would you mind یعنی که بر یعنی مشکل ساز نیست یا بر تو کدام مشکل نیست مثلا تو اگه اینی کارا بر ما بکنی و یک چیز خیلی خیلی باریک هم در اینجا متوجه باشین که اکثر مردم که مثلا از کسایی که مثلا انگلیسی زبان دومشان است پرسان میکنن مثلا میگه would you mind giving the pen مثلا برش میگه یعنی مشکل تو که اگه بر ما قلم بدی ببینین بعضی کسا هستن که شخص جواب میتن yes you can have it یا مثلا for example که yes جواب میتن برش اینجا یه به چی مانا هم میگه yes هم میگه وقتی که بله میگیم منظورش این میشه که سوال خود قسم است که اگر بر تو مشکل نیست وقتی که بله بگویی خود من میگم که بر من مشکل است یا مثلا کدام اشکال داره بر من که انجامش بدم بر تو ولی وقتی که هم بله بگویی باز هم بگویی که مشکل نیست یعنی برات میتم باز این قسم قد ودی رخ میده از اون خاطر وقتی که یک نفر که would you mind شما سوال میکنه شما باید که اگر مثلا میخواین که پاسختون مثبت باشه در اینجا از نو استفاده میکنین مثلا اگه کسی براتون بگه would you mind opening the window you should say that no I will open it for you or I opened that شما باید اقسم جوابش بدین یعنی would you mind همیشه قد نو جواب میدین. Number 2 could you please in here with could you we have to use verb the base form of the verb که خود could you وقتی استفاده میکنیم حالت اولش یعنی حالت عادی verb استفاده میکنیم و اگر یادتون باشه که کار فکر کنم خوانده بودین و این رو میفهمیدین که ما could استفاده میکردیم برای past ability یعنی توانایی های ما که در past مثلا کارهای قادر بودیم انجام بدیم و فکر کنم که براتون گفته بودیم که برای علاوه از که مثلا could میتونه ability توانایی های past یا گذشته رو بر ما نشون بده میتونیم که بر apply request هم همچنان ازش استفاده بکنیم مثلا for example could you please give me a glass of water. So this is a very respectful question from someone that you can ask. So grammar explanation in here, what do we have? The first one is structure. Would you mind plus verb ing. And number 2, used to politely ask for permissions. يعني استفاده میکنیم به خاطر درخواست خیلی مؤدبانه به خاطر اجازه یک کاره. Look at the examples. Number 1, would you mind opening the window? شکرالدین. گفته بر تو مشکل نیست یا اشکال نداره که اگر تو کلیدینه باز کنی شکرالدین. In here, if for example, it is not a very big deal for him, he must answer that no. اگر مثلا کدام big deal کدام مشکل برش نشه پیش نشه برش اینجا باید به خاطر جواب مثبت باید همراه نو جواب بده برش بگه no I opened the window بخیر این مشکل نیست من در کلیدینه برات باز میکنم. Number 2, would you mind helping me with the book? مصطفی میگه که مشکل نداری که کمک بکنی the کتابا مصطفی. And the last one is could you please pass me the pen Miss احمدی لطفا میتونی بر من بتی پن یا قلمه خانم احمدی. So now, guys, do you have any question, any problem, anything to say about the grammar which we studied that until here؟ سواء مشکل گفتنی چیزی ندارین در بخش گرامر توی قسمت خواندیم و اگر نفهمیدینم دوباره براتون توضیح بدمش. Here is no problem. هیچ مشکل نیست. Hello guys, we're in the class. Great. Well then, yes, Mr. Ilyas.
استاد ما یک سوال میکنم تو باز ضمیر یک جواب بده.
Okay.
Would you mind giving me your pen?
No, you can have it. Or here you are.
I'll say.
Yes. Any other question, guys? I think you guys don't have any question. فکركم سوال ندارین.
No, we don't have any question.
Great. So do not forget to check EnglishOnline.af for more slides, books, videos, and quizzes. So now we will move on to the next slide. And in the next slide, we have role play, and we're going to apply the same grammar on that specific part. So for reading this role play, I need a partner. Who can help me? Let's see. Who can read the role play with me, guys? Great, Mr. Ahmadullah. Well done. So I'm Miss Ahmadi and you are Mr. Barakzai.
Yes.
Great. Excuse me, ببخشین Mr. Barakzai, okay, Barakzai, would you mind if I sit here? ما مشكلة نیست یا مشکل نداره که من اینجا بشینم؟
Not it. All please have I seat.
Excellent. میگه not at all. میگه که تخیل مشکل نیست. Please have a seat. لطفاً بشینین. Thank you. تشکر. Would you mind keeping your voice down a little? مشکل نیست یا اشکال نداره با شما که صداتون کمک آهسته بکنین یا پخش صحبت کنین. I'm trying to read. ما بخوایم بخونم یا مطالعه بکنم.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sure, I'll be quiet. I will be quiet.
Quiet. Excellent. ببخشی یقینا I will be quiet. ما خاموش میشم یا چوب میشینم. That's very kind of you. ای لطفت است یا از مهربانیت است.
No problem at all. Would you mind helping me find grammar book later?
Excellent. گفته no problem at all. گفته هیچ مشکل نیست داخل. Would you mind helping me find a grammar book later? و گفته که آیا بر خودتون مشکل نداره، مشکل نیست که باز بر من کمک بکنی که کتاب گرامر پیدا بکنم بعداً. Great, guys. Great, Mr. Ahmad. That was so great and outstanding. Well done. Thank you. And now it's let's give the chance to Mr. Rahmatullah with Mr. Ilyas. Rahmatullah, you are Mr. Ahmadi, and Ilyas, you are Mr. Barakzai.
Okay, teacher. Excuse me, Mr. Barakzai. Would you mind if I sit here?
Not at all. Please have a seat.
Thank you. Would you mind keeping our voice down a little? I'm trying to read.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sure, I'll be quiet.
That's very kind. Okay, that's very kind of you.
No problem at all. Would you mind having me find a grammar book later?
Thank you, bro.
You're most welcome, guys. That was outstanding and so great. Well done. And just about the pronunciation of word voice down, not done. It is the correct pronunciation is down. Otherwise, that was so great. Farin Shabas. The next person would be Mr. Usman with Miss Hiwadmal. Mr. Usman, you are Mr. Barakzai, and Miss Hiwadmal, you are Miss Ahmadi.
Okay, good teacher.
Okay, dear teacher. Excuse me, Mr. Barakzai, would you mind if I sit here?
Not at all. Please have a seat.
Thank you. Would you mind keeping your voice down a little? I am trying to read.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sure, I'll be quiet.
That's very kind of you.
No problem at all. Would you mind helping me find a grammar book later?
Thank you.
You're most welcome, guys. That was outstanding and amazing. Excellent. Just keep working like this. Well done. So now, guys, if you do not have any question, we will move on to the next slide. اگر سوال نداشته باشین میریم بخیر به slide بعدی. In the next slide, basically we have the we have the speaking. Same as always, we have three pictures. You guys should look, think, and describe. And tonight,
Sir, excuse me. I have one question. The last slide.
okay, yes, you can ask me.
Yes, yes.
What was your
Uh,
question?
quiet. What is the meaning of Pashto quiet?
I will be quiet means I will يعني خاموش chop, or I don't know what you call it.
Yes, yes,
Did
yes.
you
I
get it?
am understood. Excuse
Great.
me. Yes.
No problem. Well done. So now, guys, we have these three pictures, and you have to look, think, and describe them. And tonight, I kindly request from every and each of you guys to participate in tonight's speaking session, even if, for example, you want to express just one sentence or one word about the pictures, I will appreciate it. So, who wants to be the first person who talk about the pictures? Let's see. Yes, Mr. Ahmadullah.
Thank you, teacher. I have I'm expectation of the first picture. The first picture I see, the one boy. The boy is pick up the pencil pin, and open the notebook, and the talking with your friend, and they have a lot of pencil, and on the table. Yes.
Yes, it was
Mm,
correct. Well done. Move on.
thank you.
Okay, that's enough.
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. Mr. Ahmad, offering Shahbaz, basically your speaking is improved and just about one word and also about your pronunciations. You said that he picked up a pencil pen. When we use pencil, there is no need to add pen with that. وقتی که از pencil استفاده میکنیم یعنی بعد کردن یا اضافه کردن pen اصلا ضرور نیست. And also at the first word you say the explanation. Explanation is the noun form. You have to say I explain. You should use the verb form. Otherwise, that was so great. Offering Ahmad. Mr. Rahmatullah.
Yes, teacher. In the name of Allah, a boy is sitting at his desk in the classroom. He was backpack on his shoulders. There is mm, an open notebook in front of him, and some pencils on the table. He is holding a pencil in his hand, and giving it to someone. He looks happy and friendly. The second picture, the boy is sitting at his desk and talking. His hand are open, and he was explaining something to someone. The window is beside him, and the sunlight is coming into the classroom. He looks confident and active. The third picture, the boy is holding a small book in his hands. He is reading the book carefully. There are many books behind him on um, the shelf. He looks interested and happy while reading. The classroom is bright and peaceful. Thank you, teacher.
You're most welcome, Rahmatullah. That was outstanding. Well done. Excellent. It was very nice explanation and very nice sentences with great structures about these three pictures. Just keep working like this. Excellent. Offering. The next person would be Mr. Ilyas.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the first picture, we saw a girl that uh, have a pencil with himself, and he want to give the pencil with someone. And the second picture, we saw a girl that wave his hand to someone that sit here. And the third one, we saw a girl that have a book with himself, and he want to read it. I think the teacher want from him that from her that study the book.
Thank you. Thank you, Ilyas. That was so great offering, even though that was short, but it was acceptable. Great. And you said that we saw a girl and he have, instead of saying like she has, because for he, she, it mostly with the singular answer pronouns, we use has to express their possession or ownership. And otherwise, that was so great. Offering, well done. And the next person would be Miss Hewad Mal. I don't know what happened with her tonight. She's completely silent.
Thank you, dear teacher. Okay, I want to talk about these three pictures. The first picture shows Ali and my friend Ahmad wants and ask from him like this, would you mind Ali give me your pencil? And Ahmad answer, no, no, I will give you. And the second picture also, there's Ahmad, and he is sitting on the chair, and he want to uh, the study uh, uh, him him lesson, and he asked her friends, mm, Ali, would you mind opening the window, please? And him friend say, no, I would close. I would opening the window. And the third picture shows, for example, Muhammad. He is sitting in the library, and he wants to study many different books in the many fields. And suddenly, him friend Ali asked, would you mind giving the book that you now reading? He said, no, I would give you. Thank you, dear teacher.
You're most welcome, Miss Hewad. First of all, I really appreciate the way that you used the grammar, which we studied that tonight. And after that, you was very careful about your sentences, about the structures which you used them. Just about one word, you said that you wanted to say que يبقى كان ميتة بردوست خط, and you used object pronouns instead of uh, like using his. I mean the correct pronoun. You said that like him giving the pen to him friend. You should say that he is giving his pen to his friend. like this. And otherwise, that was so great. Well done, Hiwadma. Just about the last problem about the usages of object pronoun and possessive adjective. Just pay attention a little bit in this case. Otherwise, that was outstanding. Well done. So, guys, we will move on to the next slide. Miriam Bakhair slide badi. On the next slide, I think we have the reading section. We have a paragraph. I'm going to read that for you and also translate it. And after that, we have three questions. You guys should answer them. So, reading aloud. Zahir wants to ask his friend for help. من زاهد میخواد که درخواست بکنه از دوست خود کمک. He says و برش گفت یا میگه که would you mind helping me with my homework. میگه بر تو مشکل نیست، مشکل نداری که با امر من کمک بکنی در کارهای خانگی. His friend replies دوستش برش پاسخ داد no نه خیر I don't mind بر من مشکل نداره یا من اشکال نداره. I can help you من میتونم کمکت کنم. شکرودین wants to borrow a pen و شکرودین هم میخواست که امانت بگیره یا قرض بگیره یک قلم از پیشش. He says و برش میگه که could you please lend me a pen. گفتم آیا میتونی که لطفا بر من قرض بدی یا بدی بر من قلمتا. His friend says دوستش برش میگه که sure یقینا here you go بفرمایین. So now, guys, who can read the paragraph first? Yes, Mr. Ilyas.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Zahid want to ask his friend for help. زاهد میخواهد که از دوستش کمک تقاضا کند. He
Can you
says, would
translate
you
it?
mind helping me with my home? Zahid want to ask his friend for help. زاهد د خپل ملګري نه غواړي چې کومک سره وکړي. He says, would you mind helping me with my homework? آیا کولای شي چې د ما کار خانګي کې ما سره کومک وکړي. His friend replies د هغې ملګري جواب ورکړو no I don't mind. هو نه مشکل نشته. I can help. زه تاسو سره کومک کولی شم. شکرالدین want to borrow a pen. شکرالدین could you please lend me a pen. هغه وایي مشکل نشته ده. Sure here you go. د هغې ملګری وایي یقینا دا واخلئ.
Thank you so much, Ilyas. That was so great and very nice reading. Basically, even your voice was breaking. I think your internet has a little bit problem, but otherwise that was outstanding. So great. Well done. Mr. Ahmad, can you please just read the paragraph?
Thank you, teacher. Zahid wants to ask.
Great. Rahmatullah.
Yes, teacher. Zahid wants to ask his friend for help. He says, would you mind helping me with my homework? His friend replied, no, I don't mind. I can help. Shukruddin wants to draw a pen. He says, could you please lend me a pen? His friend says, sure. Here you go.
Excellent. Thank you so much. That was so great. Offering Rahmatullah. And just about the pronunciation of one word, borrow. Otherwise, that was so great. So now we will move on to the questions. What does Zahid ask? من زاهد چی پرسید یا چی به خاطر چی درخواست میکرد یا تقاضا میکرد. So Ahmadullah, can you answer this question?
Yes, teacher. The first question, what does Zahid ask? Zahid ask his friend for help.
Excellent. Well done. Offering Ahmadullah. That was so great. Well done. It was completely correct. Number two, how does his friend respond? Rahmatullah.
His friend respond, no, I don't mind. can help.
And his friend responded positively and said that no, I don't mind, I can help you. Well done, completely correct. And the last question is, what does Shukruddin ask politely? میگه شکرالدین چی درخواست کرد مؤدبانه یا خیلی باادبانه چی را درخواست کرد؟ Mr. Ilyas.
Shukruddin, could you please lend me a pen?
Excellent, well done, that was so great. And now we will move on to the next slide. And same as always, the next slide we have vocabulary. I'm gonna read the vocabulary section for you guys and also translate it, so pay attention, everyone.
Oh, teacher, what is the meaning of borrow in Pashto?
Borrow.
Yes.
Borrow means قرض گرفتن.
Yes.
امانت گرفتن.
Oh, yes. I'm understood your meaning
Excellent.
of.
Even we have in here. Would you mind would you mind means که اگه خفه نمیشی که نخفه کیگی. Do you mind closing the video مصطفى؟ میگه اگه خفه نمیشی یا مشکل نداره برات میتونی که یکی نوسته بکنی مصطفى. The next one is could you please means که از روی لطف یا از خیرت کده یا مهربانی وکړي. Would you please pass the notebook؟ امان الدین گفت که از خیرت یا از روی لطف یا میتونی لطفا امو کتابچه را بر من بده امان الدین. And the next one is help. Help means کمک یا مرسته. I need help with my homework. شکرالدین من به کمک ضرورت دارم به خاطر کار خانگی هایم شکرالدین. And the next word is borrow. Borrow means قرض گرفتن یا پول اخیستل. Would you mind if I borrow your pen زاهد؟ گفته که مشکل نداری یا خفه نمیشی که من قلمت قرض بگیرم یا امانت بگیرم زاهد. And the last one is friend means دوست یا ملګری. My friend helps me every day. مسافر شاه گفت که دوست من هر روز من کمک میکنه. مسافر شاه. Miss Hwadmal, please read it.
Thank you, dear teacher. Would you mind closing the window, Mustafa? Could you please pass the notebook, Amanuddin? Help. I need help with my homework, Shukruddin. Borrow. Would you mind if I borrow your pen, Zahid? Friend. My friend helps me every day, Mustafa Shah. Thank you, dear teacher.
Excellent. You're most welcome. That was outstanding. Rahmatullah.
Yes, teacher. Would you mind اگر خفه نمیشی would you mind closing the window مصطفى? Could you please از روی لطف مهربانی وکړئ. Could you please pass the notebook Amanuddin? Help کمک یا مرسته. I need help with my homework شکرالدین. Borrow قرض گرفتن یا پول اخیستل. Would you mind if I borrow your pen زاهد. Friend دوست یا ملګری. My friend helps me every day مسافر شاه.
Outstanding. Excellent. Very nice reading. Very nice pronunciation. Ahmadullah.
Would you mind کنه خفه کېږي. Would you mind closing the window مصطفى؟ کنه خفه کېږي کولی شي کلکین وتړي. Could you please مهرباني وکړي. Could you please pass the notebook Amanuddin؟ یعنی مهرباني وکړه کولی شي کتاب د کارخانګي کتابچه راکړي. help مرسته. I need help with my homework شکرالدین زه ضرورت لرم یا امکانیت زه ضرورت لرم کارخانګۍ ته شکرالدینه. borrow په پور اخیستل. would you mind if I borrow your pen زاهد کنه خفه کېږي کولی شي قلم په پور راکړي. friend ملګری. my friend help me every day زما ملګری هره ورځ کومک کوي زما سره. مسافر شاه. Thank you, teacher.
You're most welcome. Excellent. Offering Ahmadullah. That was so great and very nice. Congrats. And about the pronunciation of the word, could you please pass the notebook? And the same, would you mind? Not meant, it was mind. And otherwise, that was so great. Offering Shabbos. Okay, guys. So our tonight's session is ended in here, and do not forget for more word games and books and vocabulary quizzes, just visit EnglishOnline.af. In case of learning more vocabulary or more, learning more words. So guys, do you have any question, any problem or any suggestion؟ سوال، مشکل، گفتنی، پیشنهاد، انتقاد اگر چیزی داشته باشین you can tell me right now. میتونین که بر ما بگوین و از جایم که شاگرد جدید نداریم. So guys, we will end the class in here. سنو بخیر اینجا خاتمه میتیم یا تمام میکنیم. فکر کنم که سوال گفتنی چیز ندارین. So do not forget. Yes, Mr. Rahmatullah. Okay, good night for everyone. Good night for you as well. So do not forget to practice and review your lessons. یادتان که review میکنین، تمرین کنین درسایتانه. And have a very great and wonderful night. Bye bye everyone. Yes, Mr. Rahmatullah.
Sir, excuse me. I have one question. How can improve my English writing? Yes,
Mm-hmm. Yes, great. Good
because
question.
I have a lot of problems in the writing the English and speaking.
Great. Well, first, if you want to improve your speaking, you should speak a lot. And in writing case, you can have a notebook. You can write, for example, your answers, your speaking session every night, or even, for example, the exercises that they exist in LMS site. You can write them and also work them on your notebook. In this case, you can improve your writing. مثلا که قسمی writing تم improve کنی که مثلا speaking راكم قرار صحبت کنی در موردش نشته کنی در کتاب چید یا مثلا ریدینگ های که میخوانیم به خاطر که ریدینگ مثلا رایتینگ میخوانی خوب شما میتونید نوشتیشن کنی یا اکسرسایز های هم که در مثلا در سایت LMS هست میتونید نور در کتابچه حل بکنی. I hope you get your answer and if you have any other question you can ask me.
Yes. Thank you, teacher.
Great. You're most welcome. So have a very wonderful night everyone. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.